Welcome to Pip Insight. Friday the 10th of July, Asian pre-open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 3 showing bullish structure and 4 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's Asian pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure, gold dollar, Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar. Pairs showing bearish structure, euro dollar, dollar yen, dollar Canada, pound yen. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you've been waiting for the gold segment, here we go. Gold heads into the Asian pre-open sitting at $4,129, and the story of this session is genuinely interesting. Price absorbed a brutal intraday sell-off, dropping all the way to $4,081, before clawing back every single dollar to close right at session highs. That kind of recovery matters. It tells us buyers stepped in hard at the lows and held control into the close. The broader structure, though, remains a range. Gold has been oscillating between roughly $4,032 and $4,160 all week, and nothing has broken that yet. Our bias is neutral with weak conviction, and here's why. The H for RSI is sitting at 73, deep in overbought territory, which suggests this rally from the lows is stretched and may need to breathe. The EMAs at $4,117 to $4,119 are providing a dynamic floor, but the EMA 200 way up at $4,240 reminds us the bigger picture structure is still complex. On the fundamental side, today's Fed monetary policy report is rated low impact, but any language reinforcing a patient Fed stance could soften the dollar modestly, historically a tailwind for gold. Heading into the Asian session, the levels to watch are $4,140 and $4,148 as near-term resistance, and $4,106 down to $4,100 as the support zone to defend. Euro dollar. The chart is showing tentative bearish structure on this session. The 1 hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.1439 and 1.1464. Support is marked between 1.1397 and 1.1416. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar yen. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1 hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 161.8 for 5 and 162.2. Support is marked between 161 and 161.3 for 5. Here is the full chart breakdown. Aussie dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside. Resistance is marked between 0.6967 and 0.6972. Support is marked between 0.6944 and 0.6949. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside. Resistance is marked between 0.5777 and 0.5793. Support is marked between 0.575 and 0.5761. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Canada. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.4165 and 1.419. Support is marked between 1.4095 and 1.413. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound yen. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 217.05 and 217.828. Support is marked between 215.95 and 216.454. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the Asian pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.